In today's video, I will walk you through how to change lot size in MT5 PC. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 on your PC the way you normally would. After the platform opens, open the trading account that you want to use. Once your account is open, you'll be taken to the main trading screen. Now, go to the trade section at the bottom of the platform. Right-click anywhere inside the trade section and select New Order. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, you can simply press F9 on your keyboard to open the same order window. The order window will now appear. This is where you'll enter the details for your trade. First, choose the symbol that you want to trade. Click the symbol field and select the market you want to use. You can choose any available symbol. After selecting the symbol, move to the type field. Here, you can switch between market execution and pending order.choose, the option that you want to use for your trade. Next, look for the volume field. This is also the lot size field. This is where you'll change the size of your trade before placing the order. There are two different ways to adjust the lot size. The first method is to use the increase and decrease buttons next to the volume field. Click the up button to increase the lot size, or click the down button to reduce it until it reaches the value you want. The second method is to click directly inside the volume field. Highlight the current value, then type in the lot size you want to use. After entering the new value, check that the volume field shows the lot size you want before continuing. Once you've set the lot size, you can continue with the rest of your order if needed. When you're ready, you can place the trade by clicking Buy by Market. If you want to open a sell position instead, click Sell by Market. The lot size that you entered in the volume field will be used for that trade. If you want to use a different lot size for your next trade, simply repeat the same process. Open the new order window, choose your symbol, select the order type, and then adjust the volume field again using either the buttons or by typing in a new value. Every time you open a new order, you can change the lot size before placing the trade. That's all there is to changing the lot size in MetaTrader 5 on a PC. Open the new order window, choose the symbol you want, adjust the volume field using the buttons or by entering a value manually, and then place your buy or sell order using the lot size you've selected. Thank you for watching.